One Exam Prep's guide on breaking down the NASCLA Accredited Electrical Exam and how to pass it on your first try. Whether you're aiming to become a master, journeyman, or residential electrician, this presentation will give you the tips and insights needed to approach your exam with confidence. The NASCLA Accredited Electrical Exam program includes multiple license paths, each tailored to different levels of experience and work. The Master Unlimited Electrical Exam consists of 100 questions and has a 270-minute time limit. You must score at least 75% to pass. The Journeyman Electrical Exam also has 100 questions, but offers 300 minutes to complete. The passing score is 70%. Each version is open book and designed to test your knowledge of electrical code, safety standards, project management, and more. Success on these exams start with preparation. Here are the key things we recommend. Tab and highlight your books. The exam is open book, but only approved reference materials are allowed and they must be pre-tabbed with permanent tabs only. No loose notes or temporary sticky tabs are allowed. Take time practice exams. Simulating the testing environment will help you manage time and boost confidence. Join a prep course. A structured course can help you stay focused, identify knowledge gaps, and practice with exam-style questions. All of our prep materials are designed specifically to mirror the content, outlines, and reference materials listed by NASCLA and PSI. Once you're in the testing room, strategy matters just as much as study. Here's how to keep calm and optimize your performance. Manage your time. You have almost 3 to 5 minutes per question, but don't spend too long on any single one. Keep an eye on the clock. Answer the easy questions first. Build confidence by locking in the answers you know, then return to the more difficult ones. Use your book index. Learn to quickly locate information in your books, use pre-tab sections, and familiarize yourself with the layout in advance. Remember, up to 10 of the 100 questions are experimental and won't count toward your score, so don't panic if something looks unfamiliar. At One Exam Prep, we don't just give you books and leave you to figure it out. We will walk with you every step of the way, and one of our most powerful tools is our live 6-hour Zoom seminar led by the one and only Mike Wagoner. The class is designed for electricians and anyone preparing for the NASCLA Accredited Electrical Exam. Mike brings over 40 years of experience, primarily in commercial electrical contracting. He's licensed across multiple states and is a passionate mentor to the next generation of tradespeople. In this course, you'll dive into the National Electrical Code. Here's what you'll gain. A comprehensive review of essential NEC sections, step-by-step electrical load calculations, practical strategies for code compliance, real-world insights you can use on the job and on the exam. You'll get live instruction, interactive Q&A, and downloadable materials to keep for future study. It's all about clarity, confidence, and getting you licensed faster. Success in the NASCLA electrical exam starts with knowing what to do and when. That's why we build a step-by-step checklist that guides you from start to finish. From getting approved, registering for the exam, gathering the right books, and staying on track with studying, our checklist keeps everything simple and stress-free. And we don't stop there. Our team is here to support you at every step. Whether it's help with your application, guidance on how to tab and highlight your books, or answering technical questions about code and exam content, we've got your back. We also offer comprehensive online courses you can take at your own pace. You'll have access to structured lessons, interactive content, and proven strategies, all aligned with the NASCLA Candidate Bulletin. Next, we'll show you how we reinforce your learning with targeted practice tests. Our practice tests aren't just random questions. They're strategically built to match the format and difficulty of the actual NASCLA electrical exam. You'll get time testing sessions to build stamina and time management, immediate feedback so you know what to focus on. Practice using your code books just like you will during the exam. These tests will help you measure your progress, identify weak areas, and reinforce your strengths. Think of them as your personal diagnostic tool on the road to exam readiness, but we take it one step further with our exam simulator. Our exam simulators give you the closest experience possible to the real thing. It mimics the PSI testing environment right down to the timing, layout, and pressure of a live exam. You'll go through a full-length 100-question test just like the real NASCLA Accredited Electrical Exam using your tabbed and highlighted books in a true-to-life format. It's the perfect way to build confidence, reduce anxiety, and walk into the test center knowing exactly what to expect. When you combine the live Zoom class, our checklist, practice test, and exam simulator, you're not just preparing, you're preparing to pass on the first try. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today to get started on your path to acing your NASCLA electrical exam. Best of luck. We're here to help you every step of the way.